am going to be doing another one of these videos in my series. So I'm gonna buy the cheapest thing on Versace. I have done a Gucci one and a Louis Vuitton. I'm gonna link down below if you guys wanna see what the cheapest item is on Gucci and Louis Vuitton. Today is Versace. Versace Medusa head on me like I'm Illuminati. Versace. I'm still a little bit sick. It's in there, it's there. But I'm like pushing through. And I think some retail therapy is gonna help your girl. And if you guys wanna buy my merch, this little hat, pink with 2 eyes and the hearts, you can head on over to my merch store. Link is in the description. Let's do the damn thing. Versace. Okay, so when I go to women, clothing, bags, shoes, accessories, watches, and eyewear. Okay, so when I click clothing, oh, that jean jacket is so freaking cute. So I'm on my computer and I'm looking, because that's what I do for these videos. We've got like a routine and you can't go low to high. You can only go high to low on the computer and you can't see prices. What? This is the weirdest thing ever. I'm not sure why. Is it my computer? Versace maybe hates me? Allegedly? But I went on my phone and I can see low to high on my phone, so I think I'm just gonna do it on my phone. Women clothing. All low to high. $150. Oh my god, that sleep mask for $200. Active stretch top, but it's like basic-y. The bottoms are $225, the bikinis. I feel like that's not that bad for designer. Price is still high, but like $150, okay, that's what we have so far. I was just about to pass on bags because I know that there's not gonna be any bag for $150. Oh my god. The Palazzo bags are like my fave. Those are so freaking, $3,425. High, low to high. A terry cloth tote. A tote bag for $600. We're here for it. Shoes, like it's, no. We're gonna, no. Accessories. So if you guys don't follow these, I pretty much just go low to high on all of them. $100, $100, $125, $125K. We have a snowflake charm or a Medusa Barocco bracelet charm. How charming! No, not watches, eyewear, fragrances maybe? 70. Okay, so we have a fragrance. I'ma smell good. Ooh, 70 is not that bad. Okay, let's go to men. Clothing, men's clothing. Oh my god, that jacket is the cute. $2,495 for a jacket? Oh my god, I love the pants too. $40. So I have my choice of white or black. I'm pretty sure that this is gonna be the cheapest thing already. Some men's underwear, girl. But I like those green ones, and even the red ones, and those are 50. Look at those ones. Oh my god, the thongs too. Cool, but I have to buy the cheapest things, so they're 40. Shoes aren't gonna be. Let's go accessories, because now we're like, I'm already at 40. All these accessories are so boring. Samantha, the correct terminology is classy, and that ain't you. But I'm not gonna spend $800 on some leather wallet. Socks are $50. 50, 50, 75. Small accessories. They have a small accessory section. Why doesn't the women have that? It's literally the exact same thing. Low to high, $195. Textured leather card holder. Ooh, I like that charm. It's nowhere near 40 though. Fragrances are gonna be the same. Eyewear. Let's just hit eyewear. Let's see. 200, 300. And the low ones, 215. Okay, that's not terrible. I think that in all the places we've been to so far for the buying the cheapest thing, in my opinion, I feel like these are more affordable than the other ones. I'm not saying this is affordable because people are gonna come for me comparing the other ones. Because like Louis Vuitton, we found like $45,000 items. Home collection. Ooh, oh, what are these options? So there's a bunch of collections it looks like, and then we can just go to like bed and bath, dining, living, and I'm pretty sure those will be the Medusa ones and all the Baroque. Bath, oh my god, what if we got a pillowcase? I would die. Those comforters, $5 grand. Oh my god, could you imagine? Versace on the floor. Slippers. Oh my god, I would have loved a hand towel. $100. Oh my god. Oh, I just want those slippers. $100, that's not that bad for slippers. Like it's like, but not like, or dining. Look at those little dishes. They're only 60. Oh my god. And what do we have? The underwear is 40. I could have had this like cute little flowery dish on the Medusa. I kind of want one. Now we're going to living because we're living for it. A $600 candle. Oh my god, that candle looks so cute. Look at that statue. A statue for cheaper than my Gucci shirt. A fucking statue cheaper than my Gucci gang. I'm pretty sure I'm like leaning more towards Versace gang. What's the same letter as V that we could say? Versace vampin'? Versace vampin'. Doesn't have the same ring to it. Versace vamp, Versace vamp. Can you explain to me? $600 for a candle, but $400 for a statue. How? Why? Because I can buy a candle at Dollarama for $1, but I can't buy a statue. The cheapest for the living are those, oh my God, I don't smoke, but that ashtray kind of makes me want to smoke. Now we're going to the young category, which I feel like they're gonna be cheap. So let's go baby. Let's stick with the babies because I feel like the girls and boys are gonna be, you know, older. So we'll stick with baby girls, 1 to 36 months. That's one thing that I don't understand. Why do some people say like my baby's 12 months old? Like just say your baby's a year old. You know, like I can understand if it was like 13 months or 14 months old. I've literally heard people say my baby's 12 months old. Your baby's a year old. Like, why can't you just say, even if my baby was like a year and 3 months, I'd still say my baby's 1. Like, you know what I mean? Like, what am I, 700 months old? Like, how old are you? Oh, hi, I'm 720. Like, when do you stop saying that? You know what I mean? Like, when a baby reaches 3? Like, I don't, $795 for that. Low to high. Okay, so we got little hats that are 70. Yes, I still got some undies. Baby boys. Like, I feel like that's so expensive. I feel like you can get like the regular size clothes for 750 months clothes, like that'll fit me for cheaper. That little sports bra was like 150 and there's a newborn set for almost 300. Get it together, Versace. What are you doing? And the low to high for, are we on girls or boys now? I think this must be boys and it's pretty much the same. Wait, I didn't see the women underwear. Shouldn't women have underwear? Oh yeah, right here. So $60. Why wouldn't that pop up for me before? I don't get it. So they're called the Greca Border Briefs. $60. So I've got to buy the men's ones. But that's okay. I'll work. Black or white, black or white. White. They only have a 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's go to the black. Same. Oh my God, I feel like I'd be small. I feel like a size 5 in men's. I have to buy it. The point of this is buying the cheapest thing. So $40 isn't that bad. Okay, I'm just gonna get the white ones in a size 5, girl. Okay, the point of these videos is to buy the cheapest thing and to make it work. I will make it work, girl. Like I could sleep in them and lounge in them, but I was kind of wanting some cute Versace underwear to like wear for myself now that like actually fit and I could roll around in them. So I think I'm gonna also buy the women's ones. They have a size 2, right there. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna also buy those. This has turned into a Versace haul. The cheapest thing on Versace, I'm buying it. It's the men's underwear for $40. It's kind of crazy actually to think about. There was like baby little toques, little bibs, ashtrays, and charms and stuff, and the cheapest thing was men's underwear. I don't know, maybe that's just my mind blowing to me. So I'm gonna buy it for the video, and I'm still gonna like make it work and be cute in them. But just like seeing those underwear, I feel like they're really adorable, so I'm buying them. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys in however long it takes to get here, and I will be back with the unboxing. Bye! Hi guys, I'm back! Okay, it arrived. This one took very quick. It was like 3 days and it was here. Oh my gosh. One day I'm just gonna stab myself, probably. Ooh. Okay, let's grab this at the top and oh my god. I now know that this is just gonna be like a receipt. But the fact that my receipt, my invoice comes with like this all there, I'm shooketh. Let's do it. We got big lumps in there. Lumps. Look at how adorable that is. This case though, you could reuse this for so many things. Oh my god, this, literal. I had one of these from Gucci and Dalton just wore it as a headband. So probably gonna have a Versace one now. I mean, I spent $100, but the $60 thing was just for like me. The cheapest thing for $40, right? That's not terrible. This is so beautifully packaged. I really like Versace. I really do. I think I like it better than Gucci and Louis, in my opinion. I just love how beautiful it looks. It looks so glamorous. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so young. Oh, here are the men ones. Here are the cheapest thing on Versace website. Oh. Am I gonna get demonetized? Hi, look at the box. Ooh, Versace underwear, 95% cotton, algodon, and so these ones are in a size 5, which I feel like they're gonna be too big. They're too big for me. I'm glad that I got these. These might fit Dalton. So here they are. Oh, it looks like someone's happy already. These are bigger than my chest. I'm not gonna show anymore because this is YouTube, okay? But they're big. But they're actually kind of comfy, like just to like chill in. Dalton, you might not get them. These ones. Okay, these ones are the women's ones that are in my size. They're called, wait, what? I thought they were called something else. They're called Slip Intimo Donna in a size 2. Literally, this one was the last pair available. The last pair of women's underwear. So these look like they would fit me. So they have the Versace tag and they have the, what is that called around it? Like the border print? The border? The United States Border Patrol? These are actually adorable. They feel like stretchy and nice and comfortable. Yes, these ones fit me. Oh my God, I'm in love. Mission success. We got the cheapest thing. I mean, if they don't fit Dalton, I can probably just lounge in them, make them cute, maybe? You know, just like with a big oversized shirt and these underneath. It ain't that serious. These are the cheapest thing. And then I just got a cute little pair for myself. Love it. I hope you guys had fun watching it and the other ones I've done. If you guys do enjoy this series, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I appreciate you guys so much for watching and following me. I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.